Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of modern gazebo design and tips for elevating outdoor spaces with best gazebo ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we unveil the essence of modern gazebo design, an artful fusion of functionality and beauty that redefines outdoor living. A modern gazebo transcends the ordinary, becoming an architectural centerpiece that harmonizes with nature while adding a touch of refined elegance to your home. In this article, we delve into the depths of contemporary gazebo design, unraveling its significance, exploring the finest shapes, surfaces, and drawing comparisons to other outdoor structures. Prepare to be inspired by a selection of the top 10 modern gazebo design ideas, as we guide you towards creating an enchanting oasis in your own backyard. Modern gazebo design embodies the spirit of contemporary living, blending timeless craftsmanship with innovative architectural concepts. These captivating structures serve as an extension of your home, inviting you to enjoy the outdoors in style and comfort. Modern gazebos embrace clean lines, minimalism, and a seamless integration with nature. They evoke a sense of tranquility, providing a retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life while simultaneously showcasing your personal taste and flair for design. What is the best shape of gazebo? When it comes to selecting the best shape for your gazebo, it largely depends on your personal preferences, available space, and the overall aesthetic you wish to achieve. Here are 5 popular gazebo shapes that can elevate your outdoor space. 1. Rectangular gazebo. With its sleek lines and spacious interior, a rectangular gazebo offers a modern twist on the classic design. It provides ample room for various seating arrangements, making it perfect for entertaining guests or creating a cozy outdoor dining area. 2. Hexagonal gazebo. A hexagonal gazebo exudes charm and elegance, effortlessly blending into any landscape. Its unique shape enhances the visual interest and allows for versatile placement of furniture and decor, creating a harmonious focal point in your backyard. 3. Square gazebo. For a balanced and symmetrical look, a square gazebo is an excellent choice. Its clean lines and simplicity make it versatile, seamlessly adapting to both traditional and contemporary settings. 4. Oval gazebo. An oval-shaped gazebo exudes grace and sophistication. It adds a touch of softness to your outdoor space while providing ample seating area. This shape is ideal for creating a cozy retreat amidst lush greenery. 5. Round gazebo. Timeless and captivating, a round gazebo offers a harmonious flow and a sense of intimacy. It serves as a captivating centerpiece, providing an idyllic space for relaxation and contemplation. What is better than a gazebo? While a gazebo is a wonderful addition to any outdoor space, there are a few alternatives worth considering based on your specific needs. 1. Pergola. A pergola offers an open-air structure that provides partial shade while allowing for increased airflow. It features sturdy columns and an open roof design, making it perfect for enjoying the sunshine while offering a sense of enclosure. 2. Cabana. Ideal for poolside settings, a cabana provides a luxurious retreat for relaxation and entertainment. It typically features a covered seating area, curtains for privacy, and sometimes even amenities like a wet bar or changing room. 3. Sunroom. If you desire a year-round outdoor experience, a sunroom combines the best of indoor and outdoor living. With large windows that let in abundant natural light and offer panoramic views, a sunroom creates a seamless transition between your indoor and outdoor spaces. It provides a climate-controlled environment while still allowing you to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature. What is the difference between a pergola and a gazebo? While both pergolas and gazebos enhance outdoor spaces, they differ in structure and functionality. 1. Structure. A pergola typically consists of vertical posts supporting an open lattice or crossbeam roof. It creates a defined area without fully enclosing it, allowing for partial shade and the growth of climbing plants. In contrast, a gazebo features a complete roof and often has solid walls or screens, providing a more enclosed and sheltered space. 2. Functionality. Pergolas are primarily designed to create an outdoor living space and define an area within your yard. They provide a sense of structure, shade, and privacy while still maintaining an open and airy ambience. Gazebos, on the other hand, are versatile outdoor retreats suitable for various activities, such as dining, socializing, or relaxation. They offer complete protection from the elements and provide a more enclosed space for comfort and intimacy. What is the best surface for a gazebo? Selecting the right surface for your gazebo ensures stability, longevity, and aesthetic appeal. Here are 3 popular surface options. 1. Concrete. A concrete surface provides excellent durability and stability for your gazebo. It offers a solid foundation, ensuring longevity and resistance to weather conditions. Concrete can be left as is or enhanced with decorative finishes such as stamped patterns or exposed aggregates. 2. Wood decking. Wooden decking complements the natural aesthetic of a gazebo and creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. It offers a comfortable and stylish surface for walking and seating areas. Ensure the wood is properly treated to resist rot, decay, and pests. 3. Pavers or stones. Pavers or natural stones offer a versatile and visually appealing surface for your gazebo. They come in various shapes, sizes, and textures, allowing you to create unique patterns and designs. Pavers are easy to install, maintain, and replace if needed. Modern gazebo design is an art form that breathes life into outdoor spaces, transcending mere functionality to create captivating havens of style and serenity. By selecting the right shape, surface, and design, you can transform your backyard into a personal retreat that reflects your unique taste and complements your lifestyle. From minimalist retreats to eclectic bohemian spaces, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the elegance and versatility of modern gazebo design, and let your outdoor space become a true reflection of your personality. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of modern gazebo design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.